Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Brilliant Labs, and we want to look at how the point system is going to be working on our competition days. Essentially, we've got 3 different categories of points that are going to be awarded during the competition. There are categories for Hello World, which are relatively easy and usually don't require that you have to be at a specific location on the surface of Mars. There's an intermediate category which give more points and is a little bit more difficult, and most of them are location specific, so you need to go to a certain point or location on Mars in order to be able to be awarded those points. And then finally we have a brilliance section, which requires a bit of computation or maybe some more difficult code or mathematics in order to be awarded those points. And you can pick and choose from any of these different categories and put together points as you see fit. Be sure to check out our other videos to look at what each of the missions are and what the point system is for each of those.